So I came in here today and I want to talk to you about something that's rarely spoken about in general. And this is definitely not spoken about ever relating to passive home or relating to any other house. But it's extremely important, and this is a reason to build a passive home in general. Not only is a passive home good for your wallet or your health, but it's also very powerful home for your mental health. I'm Paul Keeley. Let's talk. Air that heals. We don't often think about the air we breathe, but it affects everything. Our sleep, our energy, even our ability to focus. Traditional homes trap stale air, leading to higher levels of CO2, allergens, and humidity imbalances. Passive houses, on the other hand, use a high heat recovery ventilation system or energy recovery ventilation system. Ultimately, a ventilation system to keep the indoor air quality healthy and therefore less stressful and great for your mental well-being, mental health. This is ultimately possible because of an airtight but open permeable building envelope design, a core principle of passive house construction. You know, airtight so that no toxins can get into the house, can get into the wall assembly, but also open permeable, vapor open, often referred to as, so that any moisture, any residual amount of moisture in the building envelope can escape to the outside, maintaining a healthy building envelope, which also maintains a healthy indoor air quality. Now let's talk about the science of comfort. Ever notice how a cold draft or stuffy room can make you irritable? Thermal discomfort is a hidden stressor. Passive homes eliminate this problem by using super insulation and airtight construction. With walls up to 3 times thicker than your conventional home and much better window technology, heat loss in winter and overheating in summer are virtually eliminated. Thermal mass like concrete floors or possibly an interior brick wall may also help store heat. One of the biggest innovations in passive house design is eliminating thermal bridges, which is an area where heat energy easily escapes, creating cold spots, drafty parts of the home, a really uncomfortable environment. Every joint, every material transition is designed to be seamless in a passive house, preventing heat from escaping and preventing cold from creeping in, which of course would lead to a drastically uncomfortable environment. What's that going to do? It's going to affect your mood, it's going to affect your well-being, it's going to affect overall stress that people might have inside the home. And passive house really does protect against that by protecting the home against thermal bridges. The result? No more freezing mornings, no more restless nights, just steady natural comfort that lets your mind relax. The power of silence, airtightness, and triple glazed windows. Did you know that noise pollution has been linked to high cortisone levels, increased anxiety, and even poor sleep? Passive houses provide a level of quiet that most people have never experienced. Thanks to airtight construction and ultra-insulated triple-pane windows, sound transmission is drastically reduced. The result? A home that feels like a sanctuary, a place where your nervous system can reset and your thoughts can breathe. Financial freedom, mental freedom. Money stress is one of the biggest burdens in modern life. And for most people, heating and cooling energies make up a huge part of the utility bill. The passive homes are designed to use 90% less energy than the conventional alternative. For context, the average home in North America spends $2,000 to $3,000 for heating and cooling alone. In a passive house, that cost drops up to 80 to 90%, meaning most passive house homeowners spend less than $300 on all heating and cooling energies for the whole year. Imagine eliminating nearly an entire household bill. Less financial worry, more freedom to focus on what matters. The key? Strategic solar orientation, airtight insulation, and high-performance windows and doors that trap that inside heat in winter and prevent it from entering the house in the summer. This means fewer bills, greater financial security, and peace of mind that your home is working for you, not against you. A passive house isn't just about efficiency, it's about creating a home that nurtures, protects, and restores. A home that lets you breathe deeper, sleep better, and live more wholly. I hope you enjoyed this video speaking about the positive mental health impacts that a passive house can have on your health. We'd like to hear more from you. What are some problems that you're experiencing that you'd like to solve? Drop a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'd love to hear from you. Follow for more.